Want your plants to grow faster without expensive fertilizer? Let me show you what actually works. As today, I'm going to be using a simple home-made fertilizer. Let's get started. For the first ingredient, use onion skin. Choose a dry, healthy onion. Peel off the outer brown layers. These are the papery skins, not the fresh inner layers. Only use clean, dry skin. Discard any parts that are wet, moldy, or have a strong odor. The inner onion is not used. Cut the onion skin into small pieces. Aim for rough pieces around 1 to 2 centimeters. Size does not need to be exact. Smaller pieces help release compounds faster during soaking. Place all the cut pieces into a clean container or jar. Use glass or plastic. Avoid metal containers. Do not pack it tightly. Leave space for water. Fill the container with hot water. Use hot, not boiling water. Around 60 to 80 degrees Celsius is enough. Pour slowly until the onion skin is fully submerged. Close the lid and let it sit for 1 hour. Keep the container sealed while soaking. After 1 hour, strain the mixture. Remove all solid pieces and keep only the liquid. Use a fine strainer or cloth to get a clear solution. Add the final ingredient, milk. Use 1 teaspoon per liter of solution. Mix thoroughly. Do not add more. Excess milk can promote bacterial growth and odor. Dilute the solution with clean water. A typical ratio is about 1 part extract to 3 to 5 parts water, but adjust based on color. Stir thoroughly so the mixture is even before use. Pour the solution into a clean spray bottle. Use a fine mist sprayer. This helps distribute it evenly on roots and leaves. Do not fill to the top. Leave some space to shake before use. Spray the solution lightly over each plant. Focus on the roots and the surface of the growing medium. Mist the leaves on both sides, but avoid soaking the crown. Apply a thin, even layer. Do not drench the plant. Use in the morning so the plant dries within a few hours. Avoid spraying at night. If you have leftover solution, you can use it on other plants. Apply it to outdoor plants or non-orchid houseplants. Use the same light application. Do not store it for long. Use within 24 to 48 hours, as the mixture can spoil. The solution provides mild nutrients. Onion skin contains small amounts of potassium and trace compounds. This may support general plant health. The effect is limited. It will not replace a balanced fertilizer or fix serious deficiencies. Use any remaining solution to water the base of each orchid. Pour a small amount directly onto the growing medium. Avoid the crown and leaf joints to reduce the risk of rot. Apply just enough to lightly moisten the medium. Do not saturate the pot. Let excess liquid drain completely. Do not leave the pot sitting in water. This does not replace regular watering. Adjust based on your normal watering schedule. After water and spraying, gently wipe the leaves. Use a soft, clean cloth or tissue. Wipe both the top and underside of each leaf to remove excess liquid and any residue. The surface should be slightly moist, not wet. Do not leave droplets sitting on the leaf. Pay close attention to the crown and leaf joints. Remove any trapped liquid in these areas to reduce the risk of rot. Use light pressure only. Avoid damaging the leaf surface. After 4 weeks, some changes were visible. Leaves on several plants appeared slightly greener, especially on newer growth. Overall condition looked more stable, with less stress compared to the start. A few plants showed early signs of root activity, but not all responded the same. Older or weaker orchids showed little to no change. No consistent spike or flowering within this period. That stage depends more on light, temperature, and plant maturity than this solution alone. The effect is gradual and limited. It may support recovery, but it does not replace proper care or balanced fertilization. Keep in mind this should be combined with proper care. Maintain correct watering intervals. Avoid keeping the medium constantly wet. Provide stable light and airflow. These have a stronger impact than any supplement. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer as the main nutrient source. This solution is only a minor addition. Without these conditions, results will be limited or inconsistent. And that's the full process and the actual results after 4 weeks. If this method is useful, you can follow the channel for more tested orchid care methods. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time,